Which type of distribution has scores that pile up on the left-hand side of the graph and taper off towards the right? Is it symmetrical? Is it positively skewed? Is it negatively skewed? Okay, well, it's definitely not going to be symmetrical. Symmetrical does the same thing on both sides. A symmetrical distribution looks like this. If we had a center line drawn in here, you would see that to either side of that center line, of that median line, we're going to have the same look. Now the other kinds of distributions, positively and negatively, look like this. We either have them piling up to the one side there, or we have them piling up to the other side over here. And so the question being asked is basically which is which. Which one of these is positive? Which one of these is negative? They're specifically talking about scores piling up on the left-hand side. So that's this one here. That's what this question is about. Well, the way that I keep track of this is to think about a number line. A number line being like 0, 1, 2, and so on. And the number line also goes down here into the negatives. So I've got -1, -2, and so on. Now, these are my negatives. In general, these are my positives in general. So the negatives are this way, the positives are this way. When I look at a distribution that's not symmetrical, I look at them as being like arrows. This arrow points this way towards the positives, and this arrow points this way, if you think about the number line, towards the negatives. This one is negatively skewed, and this one is positively skewed. And the one that I'm doing right here is the one that they've talked about. It's piled up on the left-hand side, so it's piled up high here, and it tapers off down here. They're describing a positively skewed distribution, so the answer is B.